unboxing of the Fuel Diablo Carbon finish end can for my Suzuki 1050. Seems to be very well packaged, as you would expect to look after the prize that's inside this box. Let's take a look inside. Expected as well packaged, silicone transparent for fitting the gasket on the exhaust. I asked for an extra, it cost an extra tenner. I'm sure you could probably get it somewhere cheaper, but I wanted to have it when I opened the box. We've got another bag that contains the mounting strap. I've asked for the black finish on this one. You can get it with the standard silver finish. Pay extra, you get this black one. You've got some installation instructions inside the bag. We've got a head over and a pack of Fuel Kendal mint cake. That's what they make of, Kendal, in the United Kingdom. This is the link pipe for my Suzuki DL. I think these end cans are the same regardless of the model machine you have, but this is the link pipe required for this. And we've got the exhaust itself. That's for the silicone, I'm sure. Invoice, total price paid for this one for the exhaust was $373, and then I paid another £10 for the silicone. So I think it's a pretty good deal. But it's road legal, which is the reason I wanted to get this. Don't trust insurance companies. Let's take a look at the piece itself. It's very well packaged. Lovely, what a lovely finish. Carbon end, carbon finish on the body, brushed stainless in other areas, removable baffle, take the plug off and there's an Allen key inside that. Fitting instructions, looking forward to putting it onto the Suzuki. There it is. Other models that come, you can get the black ceramic finish, you can get the silver titanium finish as well, slightly more to have the carbon finish. It's exactly the same as their Stealth model, but the Stealth has got these parts. I've got a ceramic coating black on them as well. For the extra 50 quid, did I want to bother with that? Nah. Looking forward to fitting it. That's the Fuel Diablo road legal removable baffle end can, midi size, 400mm as opposed to the 350, slightly quieter.